Hi guys, your girl Sherry here with another ID celebration video. I am at Imagine Dubai Festival City Mall. Group of people and families have gathered here to celebrate Eid in style as they enjoy the spectacular festival city dancing water fountain. Imagine is Dubai Festival City Mall's record-breaking attraction, offering a unique sensory experience at the festival bay every evening after sunset. The Guinness World Record-winning production presents fantastic storytelling and choreography in action. Having won the record for the largest water screen projection and largest permanent projection mapping in the world. You can expect the best from this enchanting showcase. Combining the power of light, water and fire, the visual treat features the latest in entertainment technology with video mapping, 360-degree fountains, powerful lasers and surround sound. Allow your child's imaginations to soar high, with an inspirational journey of a fantasy-loving boy embedded within the show's central storyline. With 30 fountains and a surround sound system, Imagine is a spectacle you don't want to miss. Take in the show while you sit back and tuck into a scrumptious meal at one of the waterfront restaurants. Unwind with the dazzling performance after a busy day of shopping at Dubai Festival City Mall.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what?
It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's been so long since we got crazy. I'm looking spinning, oh. It's been so long since I got crazy, and I'll be over this by now. I'm counting down so Friday comes. I'm gonna do too much. I'm gonna do too much. Feeling it. Everybody Saturday, Sunday, and this weekend on the way. Yeah. It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. Hands up, hands up. Give out your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel. Give me your girlfriend and meet me at the hotel. Give out your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel. Give me your girlfriend and meet me on the this could be there for me. I'm on the phone. When the universe got burning through the floor, this could be there for me. I'm on the way.
Hope you have enjoyed and learned something. Till we meet in the next video, bye. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. God bless.